Now I'm going to talk about, and let's go back to the problem that we had before. We had 12 30-seconds. We already figured out how to simplify. We know that the greatest common factor is 4. We figured that out in the previous video. There's a technique called canceling. 12 divided by 4. We use a shorthand technique. It's called canceling. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 32 divided by 4 is 8. We just cross out the numerator, replace it with the quotient of 12 divided by 4. We just cross out the denominator, replace it with the quotient. It's a shorthand technique. Very popular shorthand technique. Let's try that with another fraction. Okay. Put that aside. And we're going to try it with 15 over 90. So we got to find our factor trees. 15 is 3 times 5. 3 is 3 times 1, so it's prime. 5 is 5 times 1, so it's prime. 90 can be expressed as 3 times 30. 3 is prime, we already know that. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 is prime, we already know that. 10 is 2 times 5. Well, we already know 2 and 5 are prime. Okay. Venn diagrams. So this 3 pairs up with this 3, goes in the middle. This 5 pairs up with this 5, also goes in the middle. And then the other, there are no other prime factors of 15. We can just put a 1 there. We're multiplying, so 1 times anything is itself. So 1 times 3 times 5 is 15. And it's just it's a placeholder more than anything. It's not a 0, like 0 is a placeholder. It's a placeholder multiplication when you multiply things together. You can multiply anything by 1 and you get that number. Okay. 90. We have 3 and 5. Oh, we have 3 and 2. Also factors of 90 that are not in the middle and not in the intersection. So our greatest common factor is the product of the numbers in the intersection, or 15. Greatest common factor is one of the numbers themselves. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. 90 divided by 15 is 6. This shows canceling. 1, 6. Or we can do it the old-fashioned way. If you like canceling, use it. If you don't, drop it. Just do it this way. Once you get the hang of canceling, it might be productive for you. But if you don't get the hang of it, just do it this way. Doesn't matter. Get the same answer either way. Teachers will show this problem using canceling, though. So you might want to get used to understanding what people are doing when they cancel.